I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your GMC Terrain. First, make sure your mobile device has Bluetooth turned on and is set to discoverable. Then, in your GMC Terrain, turn on the vehicle and put it in park. Navigate to the infotainment system and select the phone or Bluetooth icon to begin the pairing process. This will prepare your vehicle to search for new devices. Once in the phone menu, select the option to Pair Device or Add Phone. Your GMC Terrain will then begin searching for available Bluetooth devices. Keep an eye on the vehicle's screen for your phone's name to appear in the list. When you see it, simply select your phone from the displayed options to start the connection. After selecting your phone, a 6-digit PIN will appear on both your vehicle's screen and your mobile device. Confirm that these codes match to ensure a secure connection. You will then receive a prompt on your phone to accept the pairing. Once confirmed, your phone will be successfully connected to your GMC Terrain, allowing you to enjoy hands-free calls and audio streaming. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and your GMC Terrain's infotainment system. Sometimes, deleting old, unused pairings from your vehicle's device list can also help resolve connection problems, as many systems can store up to 5 phones. For an even better audio experience, check out the link in the description for a smart speaker and other great deals. Remember, a smooth connection makes every drive more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.